came up with this riff a little while ago. Can't believe my luck. It's so catchy. And then I played around with it, and it turns out it goes really well with a certain fiddle tune, a tune called Big Sandy River. Let me show you. Pretty cool, eh? It fits like a glove. Couldn't be happier. If you want to learn it, you can find it on my YouTube channel, and the link to the channel is in my bio. Oh, 1 second. Yeah, honey? What's going on? Oh, the tick bit you where? Oh, I'm sorry. I gotta go. I'm sorry.